What a difference from 8 days ago when we drove through Valemount.
Yep.
It is like clear blue skies. It's not even windy.
And we were going 70 kilometers that way, and now we're sitting.
And now we're sitting. It's 29 degrees at 6 o'clock. So obviously we can't show any mountain views at this point because, you know, we're not moving and we've got trees all around us.
But we've been driving for 9-10 hours.
We've been driving a long time.
And we're gonna camp in this area, and we're gonna do a trail either tomorrow or the day after. We're not sure.
We're not sure.
But that's gonna be pretty cool.
And we
very cool.
Yeah, and we definitely thank you for joining us all the way through this.
And there's still more to come.
And there's definitely more to come.
Talk to you guys later.
Bye. What a view.
And that's where we're going. That's
where, yeah, it's busy in this spot though, but that's okay. I am a bit surprised for a Sunday night.
People are on holidays though.
Yep. Looks like a lot of like trailers and whatnot too, right? Very nice spot for the night.
I think it'll work, no?
And yeah, I bet you we can get some solar too still.
Probably, yeah, a little bit. Definitely, I think. I just got to get level. Should I get closer to that or just leave that so that's where we can sit?
Probably leave it where we can sit. There's a bunch of rocks.
The back end has to come up. If you were to put those under my wheels right now, we'd probably be perfect.
Okay. See you in a minute, folks.
All right. Well, we at least
found a sweet spot.
Found home. It's very busy.
Very busy, but we're so far kind of isolated to ourselves. Though I think this red Toyota is going to join us over there. There's bugs. I don't think they're mosquitoes, though. All right, let's get camp.
Let's get set up. I guess we'll probably put this up too. All right, guys, so after we set up camp, we had some food. It's been a long day driving. Joanne and I just basically sat and watched this beautiful sunset. It was amazing, and we'll see you guys in the morning. Thanks for following along.
Oh, that sun's getting bright. Well, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Welcome back to the channel.
We always love seeing you guys back here.
We've had a really lazy, earlier than we thought, but lazy morning.
It's funny, we stopped at this lake near a mountain we're gonna go do later on today. And around 5:45, they're either building a road near that logging area over there or something, but there's been machinery going like all morning. And so therefore, roughly around 6:30, the truck started going along the road.
Yeah.
So it's earlier than thought, but we still woke up in a beautiful place, and I'm not upset about it in the least, to be honest.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. And we have a pretty exciting day ahead.
So, tell the folks what's on the agenda.
We're going up a mountain.
In a complete twist.
Yes. So, as we were driving into camp yesterday,
Into Valemount.
we had some service and we got a text from, Walt got a text from Adam.
Asking how our holidays were going.
Yeah. And so we mentioned that we were currently have left Alberta and we were heading into Valemount and what our plans are. And ironically,
He says, I'm getting my oil changed tomorrow, and Cheyenne and I are doing the same mountain tomorrow.
so
Something we thought we were doing solo
we are now doing.
with friends.
It's going to be freaking amazing.
It was, yeah, it's going to be awesome. And it was just such a surprise. It was out of nowhere.
It's like Adam said on the text. It was meant to
It
be.
was obviously meant to be.
So that's what we have going on. It's going to be a lazy morning. I don't know how much filming we're going to do, but
Probably not a lot, because we're just going to be, like we said earlier, probably charging batteries, charging drones, solar, getting solar stuff going. Puttering, to be honest. There's really nothing serious we have to do. We're going to go into Valemount later, probably just before Adam Cheyenne get to the trailhead, and
grab some garbage bags.
grab some garbage bags, a couple other things we kind of need, because we still got a few more days out. So we need a couple more things. But we're excited to show you this adventure that we're about to go on. You're going to love it. Everybody knows it. I'm not going to say it.
Yeah, it's not a secret spot.
No. It's one of the highest places you can drive in Western Canada. I think the highest place. It depends who you talk to. Some people say it's in the Kootenays is the highest place. Some people say this place is the highest place. But regardless, it's going to be a killer view.
It's going to be amazing.
And we look forward to sharing it with you guys.
Thanks for tuning in.
Take care.
Bye.
They get kind of testy when there's mud on the stem.
Yeah. They're pretty freaking dirty. Okay, so we are all aired down and ready to go. And as this process was happening, boom! We have Adam and Cheyenne. How was the ride up? Long.
Kind of uneventful.
Yeah.
There's not much to see up there, but started to get good here.
Yeah, it's definitely Valemount has a lot to see. When we came through, rain, we saw nothing.
Okay.
So it's nice that we have 30 degrees.
Sure. I know.
It's gonna be hot.
Yeah, we're heading hopefully to Jasper by the end of the day.
Okay,
That's the plan.
that's the plan.
So, yeah. I only got a couple days left. Cheyenne still has a week and a half.
Oh.
And I got to go back to work Thursday.
Thursday.
So,
Well, guys, I am super stoked to start this climb. This mountain has been on Joanne and I's bucket list for, I'm guessing, probably about 2 years now, but we've never really been up in the area. So we were really stoked when our holidays took us right through. So now, along with you, we're going to see what everybody's been bragging about. Let's go. official. You have driven higher than I ever have.
That looks like a Simba thing. Can we go there?
What, over there?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Come on.
This is so gorgeous. And I drove here, sorta.
Just put the front tires near the cross. Stop.
Oh yeah, you can see the lake.
Yep. Okay,
Woo-wee!
go explore.
Oh, it's on?
It's on. Keep going.
Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh. Oh ho 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 ho.
You don't get much higher than this.
This is stunning. I'm going to give this to you and I'm going to go grab a camera. Holy moly!
Made a wrong turn to McDonald's.
Welcome to the highest road in Canada, apparently.
Right, yeah.
Now, this is, without a doubt, I'm not even going to lie, the best view I think I've ever seen.
Yeah, this is pretty.
This is epic.
Yeah, that's insane. That's pretty much straight down. I won't get near the edge. I'm too scared.
That was a day.
It was.
It was such an awesome, amazing day. Ooh, lots of mosquitoes. We are at camp. It might look familiar because we went to the same spot, but yeah, we're just gonna chill out. We're gonna start a fire. We're gonna make some food. We're gonna eat. We're gonna relax, have a drink.
Fires are allowed in the Prince George fire area, by the way.
And hopefully we're not gonna get eaten alive.
Well, since it's already happened.
So we thank you for joining us on this adventure. We hope you enjoyed it. And until next time,
Get out there
enjoy life.
and find it.
Thanks for watching.